And what you've seen from the announcements, if you start to piece them together, it starts with battery cells and battery cell manufacturing. Big motivation there, several motivations. One is we think we can add a lot to that partnership. As you think about industrializing and building plants, and you think about everybody trying to do this around the world with the same 4 or 5 battery cell partners, these battery cell partners just don't have that scope and breadth, right? So we bring that. We know how to build plants. We know how to do the permitting. We know how to do staffing. We know how to work with local contractors, and we can do that very quickly. And then we're also an organization that's really good at doing high scale manufacturing with quality and having all those things built in line. And so, but we're also an organization that's got a ton of procurement scale and really knows how to manage supply chains and really knows how to really drive value there. And so starts with battery cells, and really we've kind of mapped it back and said, what are the areas that we want to play in? And so what you've seen are announcements made in the cathode space, partnerships with POSCO, who again is an incredible partner, partnerships with LG Chem to really provide cathode material. But then when you kind of double click on that, you say, okay, well the inputs into those are really critical. And so what are those processed material grades that need to go into those facilities? And you've seen announcements from us on nickel sulfate. You've seen a lot of announcements from a lithium standpoint. So we're looking at brine assets that are also going to do the processed material. So I think we're one of the only OEMs that's really leaning into that and helping to develop U.S.-based rare earth assets that can make EV magnet material. We've brought EV magnet partners to North America to be able to do that. And the list just goes on and on and on. And it's a recognition that we need to be very intentional about what we're doing, and we need to be able to ensure that we've got the capacity that we need secured.